Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a beauty out there today. Check out our drone shot. This is a wild one looking down at a field just in western portions of Lafayette Parish and then getting a pan of the sky. Oh, beautiful out there. Got to thank Logan Thibodeau for being our drone pilot all these months here. Looking at a beautiful day today. Notice the green across the area continues to get darker green. So that at least means there's less pollen in the air, and we'll be doing that pollen and mold count for about another couple of weeks more, and then we'll put that to bed as we'll get through all the tree, grass, and weed pollen. They're all at moderate levels. Sunny day out there today. Temperatures once again in the mid to upper 80s. So let's take a look at the big picture across the lower 48. We have a storm system coming out of the Rockies producing snow at elevation, but it's engendering active weather with the subtropical jet stream at lower levels, the upper level jet stream at upper levels, and there is a tornado watch numbered tornado watches going through this evening across West Texas into Oklahoma. Severe weather threat here is only going to increase over the next several hours. Already a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings over by Lubbock, and then as you get just to the northeast of the Alpine area and Sonora, far west Texas, and then down toward the Del Rio area. And again, this is going to continue overnight tonight, and this severe weather threat will gradually shift eastward. Storm Prediction Center has this area, the area in red, hatched in a moderate risk. That's a level 4 out of 5 for a severe storm. So we know there's going to be some tornadoes, some very large hail and damaging winds in this zone across portions of North Texas into Oklahoma. Then that severe weather risk shifts eastward with an enhanced risk northeast Texas, northwest Louisiana into Arkansas. Notice Acadiana hatched in for a marginal risk, but that's mainly going to be for tomorrow night into early Friday. So this is from Thursday morning at 7 a.m. to Friday morning at 7 a.m. And then we get into Friday morning from 7 a.m. on. So we're hatched in for a marginal to slight risk of severe storms that could contain hail, maybe some damaging winds as well. Tornado threat, there's no real big overt threats, but I think wind damage and maybe some hail could be in the mix as we head into tomorrow night. Now overnight tonight, the clouds come back in tomorrow. Sun and cloud mix, maybe a passing shower, but rain chance at 10%. You can see it's stormy by this time tomorrow evening, northeast Texas, northwest Louisiana, and then that moves through Acadiana as we head toward 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow night through the midnight time frame. There could be several rounds of some locally very intense storms, gusty winds, frequent lightning, torrential downpours, the usual 9 yards, but hopefully just at or below severe levels. It's debatable on whether we're going to see a severe thunderstorm or tornado watch for our area, but if it's going to happen, it's probably going to be north and west of the I-10, I-49 corridor going into tomorrow evening. Wee morning hours of Friday, it looks like things quieting down. The HRM model kind of clearing us out, but there could still be some lingering storms as we head into Friday, but overall looking drier as we head into the weekend. As for rainfall, hey, expect 1 to 2 inches of rain. We'll get a good soaking, and it's all going to come down in a couple of hours, so there could be some localized street flooding going on, but that's all going to happen tomorrow night. Prime time on the strongest storms are going to be somewhere between about 9 or 10 o'clock tomorrow evening till about 4 or 5 o'clock Friday morning. Overnight tonight, fair skies, another pleasant evening out there. Look for that crescent moon as the sun after the sun sets tonight. It should be real pretty out there. Tomorrow, another breezy and warm day. Plenty of clouds out there, but we'll call it a cloud and sun mix. Breezy south winds 20 to 28, and then going into tomorrow night, this is why I like the new TrueView forecast here. It really shows the showers and storms coming in. I'm stopping it at 11 o'clock tomorrow night, so it's going to be a stormy night with frequent cloud to ground lightning, rain coming down sideways across the area. And as we go through the timeline at the top right hand corner of your screen, it looks like by 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning things will be settling down. As we get closer to daybreak on Friday, it should quiet down overall. As we move into the 10-day forecast, upper 80s through Friday, but here we go into the weekend, 90 to 91 for Saturday and Sunday. If we hit 90 this weekend, it'll be a lot sooner than what happened last year. We didn't hit 90 degrees until June 9th, but that was actually kind of late. Usually the over-under is the last week of May, first week of June for sure. And then going deeper into next week, a ridge of high pressure will be building across the region, so that means temperatures could approach the mid-90s, and if that is the case, we're going to be already threatening some record highs. So, everybody always asks me, is it going to be a long, hot summer? And it all depends on when it starts getting hot. And guess what?
Here we are.
It's getting hot early, so it's going to be a long, hot summer.
Oh boy, buckle up.
Yeah,
Thank
exactly.
you, Rob.